Dear kids, today we will learn about the alphabet V. V says vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. V says watcher. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, watcher. V says van. V-A-N, van. V says violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. V says vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V says vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. V says violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. V says valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. V says village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. V says vehicle. V-E-H-I-C-L-E, vehicle. V says vinegar. V-I-N-E-G-A-R, vinegar. V says volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O, volcano. V says Venus. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and subscribe our channel.